And that's where Peter Stone jewelry comes in, because it connects you to what you believe in. You know, we have our mind, but we need something visual to connect us to where we want to go or who we are. I mean, sometimes we forget, we get caught up in this stuff. But if you had a ring on, that ring is in front of your face all the time, reminding you of what the message is. The bracelet on your arm is reminding you forever what you want to stay focused on. And if there was a pendant here, right? I mean, I always use this kind of example. So Susan and Jenny are going out to lunch. And Susan's working on herself. She wants more confidence. She wants more love. She wants to feel more beautiful. And she wants to feel better about herself. So she gets this pendant. I mean, I have this one mandala that was designed by a woman in Germany who designed a book for mandala for children for left brain, right brain creativity. And one of her pieces was Be a Star. And the other one is The Power of Femininity. I mean, it's a beautiful collection, but you know what? Not enough people have seen it. And it's powerful. I feel it. That's the thing about Peter Stone jewelry. I feel it before I finish it. I gotta feel it, and then I say, it's finished. In a form that means wow. It's gotta wow me. And it's not the least expensive jewelry in the world, and you're not going to get it. I put a lot of work, and my team put work, and it's beautiful for what it is. It's a huge value. It's an amazing value, and my family got to go to Munich, out where the Celts and the Romans, by the Alps. We had lunch way up high in this 900-year-old church, overlooking the Alps. As just part of the journey, we went to a gem and jewelry show there, and she lived there, and I met her son through a commodity trading course in North Carolina years ago, like in 2005, and at that same one, I also met an artist who did the Flower of Life in huge pieces of art. He was a well-known artist. So I met him through his girlfriend, who was actually the secretary for this commodity trading course. And then I met one of the students who was the son of this woman in Germany. And I went there for commodity trading, of all things. But I met these two amazing people, and I made jewelry lines based on their art, based on her book, and we collaborated for years. And you can find that mandala collection in our, I mean, we did this way back in 2007. It's amazing. And you can change your life. You can improve your life. You can stay connected with who you are, or you can step it up. It's a tool that you cherish and you wear for what jewelry was always about. Jewelry was about the power, the energy, the magic, the talisman, the charm. Not bling. Not bling. Okay? I mean, there's a place for bling. Isn't that cute? Oh, look. Ding-a-dang, a-ding-a-dang. I mean, that's lovely. I respect it. It's cute. Forget cute. Okay, I like cute. Cute cats. My lovely wife is cute. So, there's a place for it. But it's not at Peter Stone Jewelry, let me tell you that. Peter Stone Jewelry, oh, it's so heavy. Oh, really? Yeah. Why? It feels like real jewelry. That's why. I made sure. And then when silver got expensive, people say, oh, lighten up the jewelry, lighten up the jewelry. You know what? I don't want to. You know, I'll make another line of jewelry called Just Like Silver, which was bronze to try to help these people. Oh, no, I want silver. Well, they didn't want to pay the price. I'm like, well, it's a precious metal. Your life is precious, right? Your life is precious.